Modern Luxury Minimalist Home Tour 2025, Timeless Style and Interior Design Trends. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey into the world of architectural design. Today, we present the Luxury Modern Minimalist House Tour 2025, a masterpiece where timeless elegance gracefully blends with the most forward-thinking design trends of our time. This home redefines what luxury truly means. It is not about excess, but about refinement. Every space is guided by simplicity, balance, and harmony. Clean architectural lines frame the structure, creating a bold yet calming presence. Large open interiors flow seamlessly, prioritizing comfort and purpose over ornamentation. One of the most striking features is the integration between indoor and outdoor living. Expansive glass walls dissolve barriers, inviting natural light and greenery into every room. The garden becomes an extension of the living space, with landscape terraces, water features, and minimalist pathways that enhance the atmosphere of tranquility. The interior design highlights warm neutral tones, sustainable materials, and carefully selected furnishings that speak of sophistication without overwhelming the senses. Technology and sustainability also play a leading role, with smart systems and eco-friendly solutions embedded discreetly into the architecture. Looking to the future, this home embodies a vision, stylish yet sustainable, minimalist yet luxurious. It is proof that timeless beauty and modern innovation can coexist effortlessly. This is not just a house, it is a statement of lifestyle, elegance, and the evolving art of design. Architectural concept. A vision where modern minimalism shapes every detail. This design embraces clarity and simplicity, creating a home that is both powerful in presence and graceful in experience. Strong geometric volumes define the architecture, establishing a bold silhouette that commands attention while remaining elegantly understated. The wide open layouts invite a sense of freedom, ensuring each space flows seamlessly into the next. Natural light becomes a design element in itself, streaming through expansive glass panels that blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. This connection to nature transforms the home into a sanctuary, where the boundaries between structure and landscape nearly disappear. Natural stone facades anchor the residence with a sense of permanence and stability, giving the architecture both strength and timeless appeal. In contrast, warm wooden accents introduce texture and softness, balancing the boldness of stone and glass with a welcoming touch. Every material has been carefully selected, not only for its beauty, but also for its ability to create harmony and longevity. Every angle of the home feels sculptural, as though crafted by an artist's hand. Yet, despite its striking form, the design remains approachable and inviting. This architectural concept is not just about creating a house, it is about shaping an enduring lifestyle, where elegance, simplicity, and modern innovation meet to define the future of living. Architectural concept, a celebration of minimalism reimagined for modern living. This home embodies clarity, balance, and refinement, where every line and material speaks with purpose. Strong geometric volumes define the overall form, giving the residents a commanding presence while maintaining a sense of calm restraint. The architecture avoids excess, focusing instead on precision and proportion to achieve timeless elegance. Wide open layouts create a fluid rhythm within the interior, ensuring that every space connects effortlessly with the next. Light becomes an essential design element, pouring through expansive glass walls that erase the boundary between inside and outside. The garden and the living spaces merge, creating a seamless dialogue with nature and inviting moments of stillness and serenity. The exterior design is anchored by natural stone facades, offering a sense of permanence and grounded stability. In contrast, wooden accents soften the bold architectural expression, introducing warmth, texture, and an organic character that balances strength with subtlety. Each material is chosen not only for beauty, but also for durability, ensuring the home will stand as a testament to timeless design. Every angle of the structure feels sculptural, almost like a work of art, yet the atmosphere remains approachable and deeply inviting. This is more than a house, it is a vision for the future of architecture. Minimalist yet luxurious, bold yet harmonious, sculptural yet livable. The living room, a space that embodies the heart of modern luxury. As you step inside, the atmosphere is defined by openness and elegance. Double-height ceilings lift the space with grandeur, while floor-to-ceiling windows invite abundant natural light, creating a seamless connection to the outdoors. The palette of soft, neutral tones enhances this sense of calm, offering a backdrop that is both timeless and serene. Rather than relying on ornate decoration, the design celebrates the beauty of natural textures. Gentle fabrics add comfort and warmth, stone walls provide depth and character, and wooden floors ground the room with an organic touch. Each element is chosen to complement the minimalist architecture, allowing the materials themselves to speak with quiet confidence. The furniture is sleek, refined, and intentionally low profile, designed to enhance spaciousness rather than compete for attention. Clean lines and understated silhouettes create a harmonious environment where every piece has a purpose. At the center, a modern fireplace becomes the anchor of the room, providing not only warmth, but also a sense of intimacy within the expansive space. Curated artwork and carefully placed lighting add layers of sophistication, balancing simplicity with refinement. The result is a living room that feels both sculptural and inviting, a modern sanctuary that celebrates light, space, and understated luxury, perfectly aligned with current and future design trends. Kitchen and dining, a perfect expression of minimal luxury designed for modern living. The kitchen reveals itself as a masterclass in simplicity and sophistication. Streamlined cabinetry hides every detail, ensuring a seamless visual flow, while integrated appliances remain discreetly out of sight. At the center, a massive island commands attention, offering not only functionality for cooking and gathering, but also a sculptural presence that elevates the entire space. Materials play a vital role in defining the atmosphere. Marble countertops provide timeless elegance, their natural veining adding character and depth. Matte finishes on surfaces lend a contemporary edge, while integrated lighting highlights textures and creates an ambience that feels both timeless and futuristic. Every design choice speaks of refinement, where beauty and practicality coexist in perfect balance. Adjacent to this refined kitchen, the dining area unfolds with understated grandeur. A long table anchors the space, complemented by elegant chairs that invite both everyday meals and memorable gatherings. Framed by expansive windows, the area is bathed in natural light, creating an ever-changing backdrop of garden views and sky. Here, dining becomes more than routine. It transforms into an experience, shaped by light, space, and design. Together, the kitchen and dining areas embody the spirit of modern luxury, functional yet artistic, minimalist yet warm, and seamlessly aligned with today's trends and tomorrow's vision. Bedrooms and private retreats, spaces carefully crafted as sanctuaries of rest and rejuvenation. Each bedroom embodies the philosophy of modern minimalism, where simplicity meets comfort in its purest form. Clean architectural lines shape the environment, while muted colors create a soothing palette that encourages calm and relaxation. Cozy textures from soft fabrics to warm finishes enhance the sense of intimacy, transforming every room into a private haven. The master suite stands out as the ultimate retreat. A spacious walk-in closet with intelligent storage solutions ensures both practicality and elegance, while the spa-inspired bathroom provides a luxurious escape with sleek surfaces, calming tones, and a serene ambience. Sliding glass doors open onto a private terrace, inviting natural light and fresh air while seamlessly blending indoor comfort with outdoor tranquility. Children's rooms and guest bedrooms follow the same guiding principles. Designed with minimal clutter and maximum comfort, they maintain a balance between functionality and timeless style. Thoughtful layouts allow flexibility, while carefully chosen furnishings offer warmth without excess. Every detail has been considered to ensure that these spaces are both welcoming and enduring. Together, these bedrooms and retreats redefine the concept of private living. They are not just places to sleep, but carefully designed environments for rest, reflection, and renewal. Timeless sanctuaries that anticipate the needs of today while embracing the trends of tomorrow. Bathrooms and wellness spaces, designed not merely as functional rooms, but as sanctuaries of renewal and serenity. These spaces embody the spirit of modern luxury, transforming daily routines into spa-like experiences. Freestanding tubs invite long moments of relaxation, while rainfall showers create a soothing retreat that refreshes both body and mind. Natural stone vanities add elegance and permanence, their textures grounding the design in timeless beauty. Soft ambient lighting completes the atmosphere, wrapping each space in warmth and tranquility. Wellness is at the very heart of living in 2025, and this home reflects that vision with grace. Beyond traditional bathrooms, dedicated wellness zones are seamlessly integrated into the architecture. Home spas become private escapes, offering treatments and relaxation in the comfort of one's own residence. Meditation corners provide quiet spaces for reflection and mindfulness, balancing the fast pace of modern life with the need for inner calm. Even indoor gardens find their place here, blurring boundaries between nature and architecture, infusing freshness into the wellness experience. Every design choice speaks to harmony, health, and holistic living. Together, these bathrooms and wellness spaces redefine the role of private retreats within the home. They are not just places to refresh, but carefully designed environments that nurture the body, mind, and spirit, embodying the current and future trends of architecture, lifestyle, and luxury. Outdoor living, where architecture meets nature in perfect harmony. These exterior spaces extend the spirit of minimalist luxury, creating an environment that is both breathtaking and deeply functional. At the center, an infinity pool mirrors the bold lines of the home, its reflective surface blending architecture with sky and horizon. The effect is serene and dramatic, turning water into a living design element. Surrounding the residence, landscaped gardens embrace sustainability, with native plants that flourish naturally. This approach not only enhances the beauty of the outdoor environment, but also reflects an eco-conscious philosophy, reducing maintenance while supporting biodiversity. Every pathway, every green corner feels intentional, designed to balance elegance with environmental responsibility. The terrace continues the theme of seamless luxury. Elegant lounges provide spaces for relaxation under the open sky, while refined dining areas invite gatherings that flow effortlessly between indoors and outdoors. Soft lighting and modern furnishings enhance the ambience, making evenings as inviting as daytime. This fluid connection between interior and exterior living is more than convenience. It is a defining hallmark of 2025 design trends. Homes of the future prioritize openness, natural integration, and sustainable luxury. Here, outdoor living is not an afterthought, but an essential part of the architectural experience, shaping a lifestyle that is timeless, modern, and profoundly connected to nature. This luxury modern minimalist house tour 2025 presents a vision of timeless beauty and forward-thinking design. From the very first glance, the refined architecture commands attention, defined by clean lines, sculptural volumes, and a sense of balance that feels both powerful and serene. Step inside, and the interiors continue this story with spaces crafted for calm, comfort, and sophistication. Neutral palettes, natural textures, and seamless layouts create an atmosphere that soothes the senses while elevating daily living. Beyond the interiors, outdoor living plays a vital role in shaping the experience of this home. Thoughtfully designed terraces, tranquil gardens, and wellness-focused spaces blur the boundary between nature and architecture. Every corner reflects a commitment to harmony, a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being, connection, and sustainability without sacrificing luxury. This home reminds us that true luxury is never about excess or size. Instead, it is about intentionality, the art of creating purposeful spaces that serve both function and emotion. It is about elegance that endures, sophistication that feels effortless, and a design philosophy that embraces nature as an integral part of living. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If you enjoyed exploring this home, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe for more insights, trends, and inspiration in the world of architecture and design.